So once again, welcome to my channel, Easy Math with Sir Toto. Today, we will be tackling finding the roots of a polynomial and also we will use calculator technique para ma-solve natin ang mga problems na given. Okay? Ang mga questions pa lang ginamit ko dito are previous board exam questions and malaki ang possibility na bumalik verbatim or word for word ang mga problems na ating itatakal dito or kung hindi man ay papalitan lamang ang mga values. So, let's go and try to use our calculators in solving these problems so that we can maximize our time during the licensure exam. Kasi alam naman natin na ang math majorship is only limited to 3.5 hours. So, it is important na makasave tayo, na mag-solve tayo ng mabilis, ngunit tama. And we can only do that by using our calculators. So, let's go. Let's try to solve item number 1. So we have here, what are the roots of the polynomial x squared minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0? Is it A, negative 3, negative 4, B, 6 and 2, C, 2 and 3, letter D, 3 and 4. So we will try to solve this first manually para alam natin ang principles behind. Okay, so looking for the roots, we try to factor the polynomial. So we have our x squared minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So we try to factor this out, okay? Dahil nasa power of 2 siya, so dalawa ang possible roots, okay? This is equal to 0. So you have your x, you also have your x dahil distribute mo yung x squared. Now, look at 12. Maghanap mo ngayon ng factor ng 12 na kapag inad mo ay magiging negative 7. So what are the factors of 12? By the way, so you have your 12 and 1. You have also your negative 12, negative 1, you have 3, negative 3, negative 4, you have 4 and 3. Okay. Ito, kapag minultiply mo itong lahat, ay will give you 12. However, kapag inad mo, kailangan 7 ang ating makuha. So, this is 13. Mali. So, this is negative 13. Mali rin. This is negative 7. Correct is this is 7. So, itong factor na to ang gagamitin natin. So, this is x minus 3, x minus 4. And then what you need to do next is that you equate both factors to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. And we have here x minus 4 is equal to 0. Pagkatapos niyan, you transpose the negative 3 kabila, you will have x is equal to 3. And sa kabila naman, x is equal to 4. So, ang factors or ang roots or zeros ng x squared minus 7x plus 12 is 3 and 4, which is letter D. Now, let's try solving this using our calculators. Pag solve nito using our calculator ay napakadali lang dahil you just go to mode 5 and then tingnan mo yung degree. You have here x squared, so hanapin mo yung y squared, 3. And then, i-encode mo na ang lahat ng numerical coefficient ng iyong polynomial. So, we have your x squared, this is equal to 1, equals, huwag kakalimutan ang mga equals, and then negative 7 equals, and then 12 equals, and then equals, x sub 1 is 4, and x sub 2 is 3, and that is also the same as letter D. Okay? So, napakadali. So, let's go to item number 2. Item number 2, find the roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So, halos similar din siya ng nauna. But para makapag-practice tayo, for the sake of practice, we will try to solve this. So, we have here x squared. Oops, balik muna tayo. We have here x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. And then, you have your x, and then dito naman sa kabila ay x is equal to 0. Then hanapin natin ang factors ng 10 na mag-i-equal sa negative 7. You have 5 and 2. Ito 7, negative 5, and negative 2. Ito, pwede na. Kaya marami pa yung factors 10 and 1, and negative 10, and negative 1. Pero ito ang ating gagamitin dahil kapag inad mo, negative 7 siya. So, you have x minus 5 and x minus 2. Next is you equate the factors to 0. So have here x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0, and then transpose x is this is equal to 5 and this is x is equal to 2. So ang ating sagot dito sa question na ito, specific question na ito ay letter B. Okay, now let's practice again using our calculator. Okay, so palabasin muna natin ang calculator natin. So here, all clear muna ulit. Mode 5, and then 3 ulit dahil nasa second degree. And then you encode 1 equal negative 7 equals, and then 10, and then press equals, and then another equal. X sub 1 is 5, x sub 2 is 2. So meaning, ang ating sagot na 5 and 2 is correct. Okay. Now let's go to item number 3. Ang item number 3 naman, what are the roots of the polynomial x cubed minus 7x squared plus 14x minus 8? Okay, so lalabas na ulit natin ang calculator. Diretso na tayo sa ating calculator technique. Okay, so pwede mo itong actually i-factoring by grouping. Okay, pero diretso na tayo sa ating calculator technique. So we have here, kapag ganito ang given, ang gagawin mo lang ay all clear ulit, mode 5 ulit, at dahil sa third degree siya, punta ka sa number 4, choose number 4. Then, encode mo ulit, x cubed is 1 ang kanyang numerical coefficient, and then minus 7, negative 7 equal, and then 14 equals, and then negative 8 equals, and then you have here 4, 2, and 1. 4, 2, and 1, and that is letter C. So, letter C ang ating tamang sagot sa question number 3. Okay? Kung gusto nyo mag-solve manually, we can also solve this manually. However, for the sake ng makasave ka ng time, why not maximize the use of your calculators? Okay? So, let's go to item number 4. Which of the following is a possible root of the polynomial? Dito, ibang approach naman ang gagamitin natin using our calculator. Dito, ang gagawin mo kapag binigyan ka nga ng ganitong question, ng possible root, ang gagawin mo dito is mode 1, computation, okay? And then, gagawin mo is i-encode mo ang equation, pero hindi mo isasama ang 0. So, itong nasa left side lang ang i-encode mo. You have here x, alpha x, sub 4, raised to 4, and then ibaba mo, with a plus 5x cubed, 5 alpha x, then this one, cube, ibaba mo ulit, minus 5 alpha x, minus 6. Okay? So, na-encode mo na. Na-encode mo na ba lahat? Or may kulang pa tayo? May kulang tayo dito. So, you have plus 5x squared. So, you have here plus 5 alpha x squared. Okay? So, yan, kompleto na. I-check mo muna ulit. X to the 4th plus 5x cubed plus 5x squared minus 5x minus 6. Then, you need to do is calc and then i-encode mo ang bawat choices. So, you have A, 3. So, 240, hindi. Dahil dapat, para mahanap mo yung root, dapat maging 0 ang result. So, hindi 3. And then, calc ulit. Calc 0. Negative 6, hindi ulit. And then, calc ulit. Negative 2. So, dito, 0 ang nakuha natin. Kaya, ibig sabihin, 0 is the root, is a root of the polynomial given. Okay? So, ang tamang sagot sa question na ito ay, negative 2. Okay? So, let's go to the last item. So, here, find the number of zeros of the function X cubed minus 3x plus 1 between negative 2 and 2. Ang value na dapat ng roots or yung 0 ay because roots are sometimes called zeros is between negative 2 and 2. Okay, negative between negative 2 to 2. Okay, dapat dyan lang. Yan lang. Pero ngayon, dapat mo dito pansinin na kumpletuhin mo dapat kasi dito, isulat mo muna ulit para hindi ka magkamali. You have your x cube, okay? Ang kasunod dapat x squared. So wala, lagyan mo rito ng 0 x squared para hindi ka magkamali. Minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? And then, we will solve this using our calculators. Okay? So here, subukan natin kapag hindi natin lagyan ng x squared, ay magiging mali ang magiging sagot mo. So we have here mode 1, ulit ka muna. You have here alpha x cube, baba natin, minus 3 alpha x plus 1, calc 0, and then 0 is equal to. So, mali, mali, mali. So, gagawin mo dito is equal to, i-equal mo, alpha calc is equal to 0. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo dito pala, this is wrong, this is wrong. Ito pala ang tamang calculator technique. Mode 5, and then x cubed. We have here, let number 4. So, you have input the coefficient. We have 1 equal, negative 3 equals, and then 1 equals. Mali, kasi may kulang ka pa. Okay? So, let's try putting 0 sa x squared. So, here you have 1, and then 0, and then negative 3, and then 1. So, will have x of 1 is negative 1.87. Sulat natin. Negative 1.87. Tandaan muna natin. And then, x of 2 equal ulit 1.53. And x of 3 is 0.347. Okay? So, tatlo lang. Ang lahat ng value na to ulit ay from negative 2 to 2. So, tatlo ang ating roots na between negative 2 and 2. So, the correct answer for this item is 3. And that is letter B. Ganyan ang pag-solve, ganyan ang problem, pertanungan sa licensure examination for teachers sa math major. And if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of the future uploads ng ating math tutorial videos. And then, thank you and see you.